Well, today we're gonna start tearing the roof off this sawmill we're gonna buy. Then fill in on it a little bit. Here's an update on the sawmill. We got the roof off yesterday. We're gonna take all the trusses down today and hopefully get some posts pulled and get ready to start moving this thing, taking it apart. Got the blade off too, in case anything was to happen. Don't bend it. Here's the other side of it. Carriage and stuff a little bit better. Well, we're setting these old trusses off, tearing her down. Ready to move the motor off the sawmill here. Got it cut loose. Think that's good? Is it moving? Got the edge removed out. Got the log deck off this morning, all of our measurements took. Getting ready to pull these pillars out of the ground and start taking the rest of it apart. Broke apart, didn't it? Got the log turner off. We'll set it down. Ready to set the carriage off once I set this piece of concrete down. Got the carriage. Be very easy with it. Got her down to the bare essentials. Dad. It's videoing. Videoing.